sagging my pants and I got a few bodies up under my belt. Oh, bitch, I'm a big gangster. I turn around with this foreign love. Cocaine, a slang.
SKU.
100 of them. God damn. God damn. God damn. God damn. That's some bullshit.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Thoughts I have putting on skinny jeans. You got this. Why am I already sweating? Balance. Pull harder. This is only halfway. Reef Beach. You better jump like Jordan. I'm never doing hip thrusts again. Is the dump truck even worth this? Momentum might help. Never mind. Finally. Wait. Why was that easier than last time? OMG. Did my butt get smaller?
I'm not yours, what you waiting for?
You're teasing me, you naughty naughty.
What are you gonna do? Cry about it? You go cry about it, you stupid fucking bitch. How about you just go kill?
Has anyone figured out how to say y'all sound crazy in a professional setting? There seems to be a disconnect. Customers want to be right so bad. Like, damn, go clock in since you know so much. Well, tomorrow was shit. No. Mom, can I borrow $10? Mom, what happened to that $10 I gave you in 2007? Next time I open up to someone is my autopsy. Okay, no. Will I have a date for Valentine's Day? No. Also no, but in yellow. It's facts. Just did my own taxes. I should be in jail by Friday.
What? Turn your fucking phone down. I can hear that shit from all the way over here. It's not even that loud.
Just did a bad thing. Friday to hell. Big as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby. Caroline. There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
Okay, just some syrup. Perfect. Okay. Stupid. Perfect.
The fact is, yeah, I may be shy at first, but once you get to know me, I'm the most annoying motherfucker you ever gonna meet. And you stop
Me having an allergic reaction and taking Benadryl.
Ryan, come on, get up. You're gonna be late for school. Yeah, I don't buy it. Get up, get dressed, and I'll be waiting in the car.
Oh, Mom, I'm sick. I can't go to school today.
Mom! Where the heck is she? Mom! I said I'm sick! And? What am I supposed to do about it? Walk to school? Stay in bed? I don't care.
My baby! I'm coming, my child! Honey, are you alright? Listen, you don't have to worry about going to school today. Just stay home and relax. In fact, you don't have to go to school for the rest of the year. I'll call the principal and I'll pull a Karen on them. You want some McDonald's, KFC, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Krispy Kreme, Dunkin' Donuts? I'll just get it all for you. Just get better now, alright? My baby boy.
Hey, Dad, can I hang out with Tommy today? Do you want me to say yes? How is this a yes? No. Jeez, okay, no. Louder. Jesus. No! Tommy, I'm sorry, bro!
Why does every mom wake up like this?
Mom.
So we all have seen this soap, right? I'm not going crazy. Everybody and their mother has seen this soap before, at some point in your life. Most likely in a kindergarten class.
Urban legend, club king, I'ma sing to you. Mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business.
Get stupid, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
She gon' flirt in front of her nigga. She like Fago, you getting bigger. I remember when you was a little nigga. I got stripes like that boy Tigger. No, you don't be putting no trigger.
Why is it when grandmas want to give us money, they act like literal drug dealers?
Ryan, what are you doing? I'm eating. You know, Ryan, all you do is sit and eat every single day. I mean, come on, can you do some chores? You know what, I've had enough of you just sitting here and breathing the air that I pay for. Excuse me, who are you? What are you doing in my house? I'm your son. Oh, you come to kidnap one of my sons, not
No,
I said I'm your son! Your son! Oh, wait, you're Jimmy's friend. Jimmy, come get your friend. You were saying, Dad? Don't worry about it, Jimmy. We all make mistakes.
I'm with a thick bitch. Thick shit. Rolling the trees like it's Christmas.
Hey, Mr. Johnson, I got the answer right on question 3, but I didn't get all the points for it.
You didn't show your work.
Okay, but I gave you the right answer.
Showing your work is more important.
So, if I had gotten the wrong answer, but I showed you how I got it wrong, I would have gotten more points than if I just gave you the right answer?
That is correct.
Okay. Sir, excuse my profanity, but how the flying fart does that help me in the real world one day?
Excuse me?
Like if I'm building you a house, and I mean I royally wrecked that entire thing. I mean the doors are made out of cardboard, the house is made out of styrofoam, covered in bubble wrap, and you gotta heat up your food using clippings of grass and a lighter you borrowed from your mom. But if I showed you my work and how I ruined it all, are you going to pay me?
Of course not. That's absurd.
Yeah, so take out your pretty little red pen there, and wait, better yet, I got one right here. And fix it now.
Your mother's in cleaning mode. It's everyone for themselves.
Oh my god, I'm hiding in here as well.